Hello students, welcome to the Sapna's Homeschooling YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve 3.4 Let us march lessons marching questions, and this lesson is from your 10th standard English textbook. नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो, मी सपना तुम्हा सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करते. मी पुणे जिल्ह्यातनं आहे. तुम्ही कोणत्या भागातनं माझा व्हिडिओ बघताय मला नक्की सांगा, आणि त्याचसोबत तुम्हाला कोणत्या विषयाचा किंवा इंग्लिशचाच कुठल्याही पॉईंटचा व्हिडिओ हवा असेल, कुठला अडत असेल तर मला कमेंट करून नक्की सांगा. नवीन असाल चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, व्हॉट डज द स्पीकर फील ऑनर्ड टू रिसाइट? Answer: The speaker feels honored to recite a mantra from the ancient text of wisdom Vedas. How does the speaker describe his journey from India to Norway? Answer: The speaker describes his journey from India to Norway as a journey from the land of Lord Buddha, Guru Nanak, and Mahatma Gandhi. He described India to Norway as a connect between the two centers of global peace and brotherhood, ancient and modern. What terrible thing was the Sudanese child forced to do? The Sudanese child was forced to kill his friend and family as a part of his first training lesson for extremist militia. What does Satyarthi refuse to accept? Answer: Satyarthi refuses to accept that the world is so poor. When just 1 week of global military expenditure can bring all the children to classrooms, he refuses to accept that all the laws and constitutions, police and judges are unable to protect our children. He also refuses to accept that the shackles of slavery can ever be stronger than the quest for freedom. What is the only aim in life for Kailash Satyarthi? Answer: The only aim in the life for Kailash Satyarthi is that every child is free to be a child, free to grow and develop, free to eat, sleep and see daylight, free to laugh and cry, free to play and learn, free to go to school, and above all free to dream. What are the signs of progress that the speaker mentions? Answer: The signs of progress that the speaker mentions is that we have reduced the number of out of school children by half. We have reduced the number of child laborers by a third, and we have reduced child mortality and malnutrition, and we have prevented millions of child deaths. What social role are the 3 daughters playing? Answer: The social role played by the 3 daughters are that they are rising up and choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism, and courage over fear. What lesson does the story of the lion and the tiny bird teach us? Answer: The story of the lion and the tiny bird teaches us that each one of us can make a difference, no matter how small we are, if we just do our bit. What did millions of individuals demand 18 years ago? Answer: 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of child labor. What problems do the poor children face? Answer: The poor children face the problem of child labor, being kidnapped and dying of deadly disease such as Ebola. Why does the 8-year-old girl's question shake Mr. Satyarthi? Answer: The 8-year-old girl's question shakes Mr. Satyarthi because her angry question makes him think what we were doing, what were we waiting for, and how many girls will we allow to go without rescue. What matters according to Satyarthi? Answer: According to Satyarthi, every single minute matters, every single child matters, every single childhood matters. What does Satyarthi challenge? Answer: Satyarthi challenges the passivity and pessimism surrounding our children. He challenges this culture of silence and this culture of passivity, this culture of neutrality. What was Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child? Answer: As a child, Mr. Satyarthi had a vision of tomorrow. A vision of the cobbler boy he met outside his school sitting with him in his classroom. What was the response of the boy's father? What was Satyarthi's reaction to it? Answer: The response of the boy's father was that he had never thought about sending his son to school as they were born to work. Satyarthi's reaction to the response was that it made him angry. What is your vision of tomorrow? Answer. My vision of tomorrow is a world where every child is able to go to school and get a good education. A world where every child is able to play and be a child without worrying about violence and diseases. What rights should every child have in our times? Answer. In our times, every child should have the right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. What does Mr. Satyarthi request the listeners to do? Answer. Mr. Satyarthi requests the listeners to put their hand close to their heart, close in their eyes, and feel the child inside of them. According to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling on us? Answer. According to Mr. Satyarthi, thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas, and Martin Luther King are calling on us. थँक्स फॉर युअर सपोर्ट. तुम्ही जो खूप खूप सपोर्ट आम्हाला करता त्याबद्दल आम्ही तुमचे खूप आभारी आहोत. आमचे व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडत असेल तर बाजूला दिलेला QR कोड वापरून आम्हाला मदत नक्की करा, जेणेकरून आम्हाला आमचं काम अथकपणे करण्यास प्रोत्साहन मिळेल. थँक्यू सो मच. पुन्हा कोणताही कंटेंट हवा असेल तर कमेंट करा. नवीन असेल चॅनलला तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. बेल आयकॉन दाबा. हा व्हिडिओ जास्तीत जास्त मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा, म्हणजे त्यांचाही फायदा होईल. भेटूत नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. धन्यवाद.